Since the pandemic, there's been a lot more self-employed people out there, such as gig workers, your Uber drivers, your healthcare providers, even pop-up restaurants, right? Consider gig work. So, did you know there's actually home loans out there for this type of income that don't require tax returns? All right, it is no big secret that a lot more people are working for themselves lately. And since the pandemic, it does seem, we're seeing a lot more independent contract work, even if you're kind of doing it on the side. It's out there. And so, what's not out there sometimes is a way to use this income to qualify to buy a home. So, today I wanted to talk about these unique products we have where you can just use a 1099. If you have a 1099, we can just go off that for income. We've got another program similar where we use 24 months of bank statements to use income, not tax returns, just the bank statements, looking at your deposits. Or there's even one we have for 12 months, bank statements, self-employed. So very cool products out there. If you are self-employed and you think you can't qualify for a home, let's take a look at that and revisit it and see what we're really looking at. So some highlights include, as I've mentioned, no tax returns. We're qualifying off a 1099, 24 months bank statements, or 12 months bank statements, depending on the loan program. You can put as little as 10% down. 20% down is not necessary, people. We can go as little as 10% down, depending on the program. We can use personal and business bank statements. We can use both, one or the other. Now, we can do this for purchase transactions, refinance transactions, and even cash out transactions. We can use 12 months bank statements to pull cash out of your home. Non-occupant co-borrowers are allowed. What that means is we can put someone on the loan that doesn't have to live in the home, and we can use that income to help qualify. But we do need someone on the loan living in the home to make it owner-occupied. And interest-only payments are available for these products. So, with this changing market brings a lot of new opportunities for home buyers, including you, the self-employed, borrower, whether you're a gig worker or you own a business that you've had for 20 years. These are products that can make the loan process a lot simpler. You may ask, what's the catch, Garrick? And I'll tell you what. The rates are a little bit higher than your conforming rate. So when conforming rates were really low, these rates were a little bit higher than that. And now that rates are higher, these rates are a little higher. When rates go back down, they'll go down, but they're still a little bit higher than your market conforming rate. So there you have it. The terms may be different too. The best thing to do, fill out an application and let's see what you qualify for. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people, president, CEO, Fresh Home Loan. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and we will talk soon. I look forward to helping you get a home.